Oh, nice. Put it on.
Now it's closed.
No, don't me. All right.
A gingerbread book. A gingerbread book.
Can you eat it?
No.
Ooh, that looks like that's a nice book. Wow, it's pirates. It's about pirates.
Oh, yeah. It's crayons.
All right. No way.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Wow, huge thank yous to Granny and Papa.
Wow.
Megazord, baby. And this is... What the heck is this?
Looks like, I don't know, coloring book maybe?
Oh, coloring book. Coloring book. Cool.
What you got there, Miss Ava?
Oh, it comes with this whole body.
Oh, Ava, what is it?
Oh, you got a big girl back there! Oh my goodness!
And it's another Magic Channel book.
Here.
Wow, you're going to be a good reader.
And it's 21.
Oh, perfect.
No, I don't want to try. Baby! Wait, who are these for?
The red one is for everybody.
Oh, this is...
The white one is for you and Nathan.
Oh, could I... Yeah, that's for me. Dad, another book. Nathan, this is for everybody.
Who's it from? Patrick, who's it from?
Yes!
You can wear it as a necklace.
You got always your book.
It's Drummer Boy! Drummer Boy!
Oh, those are beautiful. Oh, put it over your head. I want to wear it.
You can wear it.
I don't know.
So we can hear you coming. Patrick, hold on. Who's it from? Who's it from, Pat?
Oh, yeah.
It's from Emma. That's from Emma. It's for Nathan and Patrick from Emma.
Cool, Battleship.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh gosh,
It's
that's a
not
fun
a
game.
toy, it's a game. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good game.
That is a fun game.
Hey!
Maybe you can open this.
I got a Hesty!
All right, you got a Hess truck too.
I got this!
Cool.
Look, I got this!
Patty, that's for everybody. That book is for everybody. It's okay, you can open it, but it's for everybody. I just wanted you to know.
Dad, look it! Dad!
Oh, you got Pez, new Pez.
Oh!
Oh, cool.
What's shaking in Snowflake City? All right, that's from Granny and Papa.
Whose is this?
Stop.
Stop! You're not with... Hold on. What's these for?
Set it back up.
What are all these for? Andrew! They're all goodies in there.
Whoa, right.
Wow! What in the world is this? It's Andrew!
Calm down, guys.
You're lucky that you get a... whose is this?
Mommy.
A Lego Ninjago Stadium. You're lucky you get that. Whose is this?
Patrick, you got Legos too, right?
Yeah.
What Legos did you get?
It's Star Wars.
Dad, Mom, this is you.
Yeah, it's Mommy. It's Mommy.
And this, Dad, you gave it to us.
Gave it to what? No, those are for Mommy to open. No, those are for Mommy to open. Oh,
That's
candies.
for Dad.
Dad, that's
Yeah, I'll open in a little while.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. The velvet door hanger. Oh,
Mommy, you have to open this.
I don't know.
We'll do
Let's
it.
wait, sweetheart,
Yeah,
because
we
we're
have a
gonna
lot of
see it.
confusion on it. We'll do ours later.
I want my
Ava,
stuff.
look at this dress.
Yes! Dad, look at that dress.
Oh, you want to wear that today?
Yeah, Dad, look it.
Oh, that's beautiful, Miss
You're going to
Ava.
have to wear it today, I think.
That's a Christmas Day dress if I ever saw
I
one.
know, and you don't have a Christmas
And
Day
look at
dress
that
today.
dress.
Oh, you gotta wear it so we know where you are. Just like Rudolph. No, not me. For you.
No, it's for you. Gosh.
Oh, it's for me. I get to have it.
Yeah. Daddy. It's your
Oh,
Christmas
there's something
gift.
special in here.
Look, it's cool on you.
OMG.
Dad, look at bracelet.
Open it up.
Wow. Who's that from, Ava?
It's from
Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah, from Grandpa.
So funny. She's a constant. That these two kids are like.
Yeah, the other one breaks.
Patrick just can't contain himself.
Daddy, can you put this up?
Oh.
Go ahead and put them on the stairs, buddy.
Oh,